G'day, my name's Zach.
And I'm Dave.
And today we're cooking huevos rancheros!
So today we're going to bring you a traditional Mexican dish called huevos rancheros. It's quite simple. For this, you will need 2 huevos and 1 rancheros. Let's get going. So this recipe really is quite straightforward. Simply grab the eggs, grab a cup, and then crack the eggs into the cup. Then simply grab your salsa, spoon a little bit into the cup, and then put it in the microwave. So, it's looking pretty tasty. Now I'm going to pass it over to Zach, who's going to cook it.
Thanks, Dave. Let's cook this beast. Now today, we're going to cook this not in the oven, but we're going to use instead the microwave. Let's go. Okay, so whack it in the microwave and give yourself enough time to have a good cold glass of beer. That should do it. Now let's cook this bad boy. Dave!
What the fuck?
Holy fucking shit! What was that?
Oh,
Dave, turn it off! Turn it off!
Fuck.
Oh, fuck! Dave, turn it off! Turn it off! Turn it off! Turn it off! This will ruin our integrity. Dave. Okay, g'day. I'm Zach.
And I'm Dave.
And today we're going to cook you something amazing. We're going to cook you something spectacular. We're going to cook you chocolates. Chocolate. We're going to cook you something chocolate cake. We're going to cook you chocolate cake. And we're going to do it for you in a mug. Chocolate cake in a mug. How much time do we have?
About 5 minutes.
Fine. Chocolate cake in a mug in 5 minutes.
In the microwave.
Let's do it.
So for today's recipe, we're going to need some cocoa, bit of sugar, a little bit of flour, eggs, a little bit of oil, and of course, the all-important mug. However, there does seem to be one thing missing. Jägermeister.
Right, let's get to work. Okay, so what you'll need, a cup. So get your cup ready and put 4 tablespoons of cake flour in it. Okay, so you got your flour in there, and put the sugar in there as well. Done. Okay, now add your cocoa to it. 2 tablespoons of cocoa? I reckon.
Yeah, I guess.
Okay,
Sounds good.
1, 2, bam, done. And then you mix it together like so. And you want to get to a nice kind of brown looking consistency. Right, add an egg to the mix. We need to make it a bit wet, so yeah, whack that in there. Done. Okay, so once you've got that in there, pour in the milk. Put in that much. Oil. Shit. A dash of oil. Basically mix it up now. And this is going to be your chocolate cake base. So mix it up until it's a nice cake, thick consistency. Like so. What the fuck is that? Oh, shit. Look at that consistency. That looks brilliant. Okay.
Perfect.
Dave, do you want to take it from here?
So I think about 3 or 4 minutes on full power should be long enough. Let's go.
Okay, so you've pulled it out of the microwave. This is the best part. Simply grab a plate and whack it upside down. Give it a little shake and... oh, that looks delicious. Okay, slice it into 2. Oh, check out that texture there. And there you have it. Microwave cake. Simple, easy,
And probably delicious. Hey Zach,
hey Dave.
let's manger this motherfucker. You have the hand because you have to roll your eyes.
Rancheros!
Oh fuck! Oh no!